Okay, so welcome back to my new video. Today's lesson, I'm going to talk about pointers. A pointer holds the memory address of a value. Okay, so let's jump right into the IDE so that I teach you what it means by using pointers in Golang. So I'm inside this pointers directory. I'm going to create a new Go file. I'm going to call main. And inside the main function, I'm going to say a pointer holds the memory address of a value. Okay, so let's declare a variable called age of type int. We assign the value of, say, 7 to 8. And then we declare another variable called ages. And then we use the ampersand to point to the memory address of this variable called age. And then we are assigning that memory location to the variable ages. So we can now say fmt print age as well as fmt print ages. So what is going to happen here is that the ampersand operator generates a pointer to its operand. Okay, and this is going to print the value of okay, so let me put this description here. This is going to print the value of age 7. And if we print ages, this is going to print the memory address of the variable age. Okay, so let's run this and see what we get. You see, it prints the value of age. Age is equal to 7. Okay, and then this ampersand right here. So let me rather put it here. Okay, and then I put this here. So the ampersand operator generates a pointer to its operand. And then this print age is going to just print the value of age. And then this ages is going to print the memory address of this variable age. Okay, so I hope you get an idea now. So what if we do fmt ampersand age directly? We'll point to the memory address directly. Points to the memory address of age. So let's run this. You see, it prints exactly the same hexadecimal or whatever it is, hexadecimal values. They are all the same. Now, we're going to do something special. So there are two pointer symbols. Okay, The first one is the ampersand and the asterisk. Okay, these are the two main symbols used in Golang for pointers. All right. So let me continue. The type *t is a pointer to a t value. Its 0 value is nil. So let's declare this variable. Okay, let me print this here first. Var p, and then we point to this integer, and then we say print p. So now p is not holding any value. Okay, so let's run this and see what we get. You see, it gives a nil value because it's 0 value, because there's nothing in there, so it prints a nil. Let's declare another variable called I, and then we want to assign the value 99 to it. And then we say p is equal to ampersand I. So we're now assigning the memory location. So assigns the memory address of I to variable p. So let's print p and see what we get. You see, because p, now I generates a new memory address location. So now p is having a new memory address location. Okay, p is now having a new memory address location. All right. So let me do this. This prints memory address of p. So the whole idea, so if we do fmt print, and then we say asterisk p, let's see what we're going to get. So if we say asterisk p, then it's going to print the value at the memory location of I. Okay, so it's more or less of dereferencing, okay, the value at this memory location. So you see now we have 99. So most people call it dereferencing, or some people call it indirecting. So so let me comment out this. So we want to say decodes the memory address to a value. Or we can also say read I through the pointer p. All right. We can also set I through the pointer p. So if we say we want to set a new value, now the value at this of p, if we dereference it, is what? 99. But what if we want to change the value at this memory location? We want to change this 99 to a new value, and then we set it to p. So what we can do is, when we say p is equal to 200, you see, it tells us that what? Type int cannot be represented by the type star int. Okay, so what we have to do is to dereference it with the star asterisk. Okay. Once you do that, it becomes happy. And then we can say FMT P. So let's see what we're going to get for P. You see, it points back to the memory location. So we need to dereference it. So to dereference, so here we call dereferencing, or some people call it indirecting. Okay. Indirecting. So to dereference it, we use the asterisk to dereference to the value at this memory location P. So you see now P is pointing to the memory location. So for us to get the value back, we need to use the asterisk to dereference it back to the value of 200. So let's run this. So you can see we now get the 200 back. So yeah, so I think that is all for now. If you still don't understand the whole concept of pointers, please take your time, go through this exercise one more time. And then if you still don't understand it, please leave your comments in the comment section below. And then I'll try as much as possible to respond back. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Happy coding.